Kublai sibun ni pibaro kene ke video kumta ngan pentep sapi yaki kubor lekam kebadai jongka railway recruitment board RRB kalapan mi yakan notification for non technical popular categories graduate post through RRB NTPC graduate level exam 2024. The minimum qualification required papidai berpendap yaka degree hakano kari recognized university or its equivalent. Yaki eligible candidate lada pikwa ban apply yakini kipus pihak ban apply online ya kini kipus katarik ban submit yaki application kalas dang nadu ka kacau tarik banai bakandai hajar pusau bat kalas date ban submit yaki application adu ka kalai tarik banai basipau hajar pusau. Tengah kerpat ya pi bapin page ya kene ka video hado pandakut kenang bapin sautu ya ki jingdon kam baro namar hapo gohoti ru kidon kipus balaj lada pikwa lada pimkwa ban apply hakiwai ki state hakabayade nakamata ka exam center hapo shalong ru tharai kala bandon namar ngawat jingtip chapang ka exam ki ong bakadon ndrei ngam patip dikena bha ndai kasyong katkum ka admit card baphiyo kerpat ya phi bapin persyang pan apply yakin kipus namar tang hapo ka state Meghalaya ru kijenjar banyo kam lese lada phi apply yakin kipus lese kadai kapok nakamta ka chong phi baphiyo hakiwai ki state ru tingin ya page yakik kerteng jong kipus kidon santli kipus kata kadai chief commercial com tickets station master, good range manager, supervisor, junior accountant, assistant, com typist, bat senior, kelek com typist. Yakin kipus pidai ban pendep yaka degree hakano ka university tikapus ban gong kadai chief commercial com ticket supervisor. Number of post adu 6,000 news pa lai penru bat ka salary yakin kipus kadai pay level 6 kata kadai lai penajar sauspa. But the essential qualification kadai pidai ban pendap yaka degree from a recognized university or its equivalent. But ka post baar station master number of post hadu kandai spa kanai pesau teligi post ka salary kadai lai pesan hajar sauspa. But ka essential qualification kadai degree kano ka recognized university or its equivalent. Balai good range manager number of posts lai hajar sispa sapusau bat ka salary kadai harap kandai hajar arspa essential qualification degree from a recognized university or its equivalent. Basau junior accountant assistant com typist number of posts adu hajar sanspa nyutli post bat ka jingsiu kadai harap kandai hajar arspa essential qualification kadai degree bat pidai ru banang ban typing haka English dane Hindi kata kadai haka komputer. Pasan senior kelek com typist number of post hadu new spa lepuar kajing siu kadai pay level 5 harap kandai arspa bat ka essential qualification kadai degree from a recognized university bat pidai ru banang ban typing haka ketin English lane Hindi haka komputer. Bat ka age limit bapia ban apply kadai khatpra hadu live pendus nem bat ka upper age limit sans nem na kabanta ki SC ST kategori. Bat ka recruitment process exam kadon arteliki stage kata kadai ka stage 1 computer based test bat stage 2 kadai computer based test bat kawai ka typing skill test subject nabanta ka stage 1 general awareness soft question mathematics life question general intelligence and reasoning life question total question kadai sispa bat sima kawai ka question badak ka por banto ya ka exam kadai kandai po minute bat nda pila qualify ya ka stage 1 te penpoi haka second stage ki subject kidai general awareness sample question mathematics life question general intelligence and reasoning life question bat cima kawai ka question total question kadai sispa arpo question kapor banto ya ka exam kadai kanai po minute bat ka typing skill test kadon tang ya ka senior kom typist bat junior akau assistant kom typist ya kini wiki post don kam typing test bat kan don ruka negative marking ya ki computer based test ada pi bakla ya ki question taken minus si mark chiteng ya ki question ki jang pi ba phim day bat ka stage 1 bat stage 2 kadai ka badon kam ba bat nda pila qualify ya ka computer based test tepen poi haka document verification bat kan don ru ka medical test lada pi biang lut ki document bat medical te kin shortlist ya ki candidate ki bayo bapin apply pi haban register swai lade pendap ya ki jingdon kam baro bat nda pila dep te pila ban apply bat ngan saburu po ka description below ya ka website bat ka jing seu ya ka application fee kadai ars pa sanpeu ya ki SC ST kategori candidate te ngatrai tang kini jing tip ada film sengau tu hak bedai bagi nipus sa komen apa ka comment section keplay siban